Bought a new fan. It's one of those stand-up fans. I got this at Walmart. I bought 2 of them, so I had them delivered. It's nice, 2-day delivery. I oiled my old tower fan, but it still squeaked after a day, so I forget it. I can't have the squeaking noise, especially when I'm doing video. I don't want that squeaking in the background. So I ordered a couple of new fans. So what's interesting about this fan, I just took it out of the box, and I'm looking for the screws to put the base on. I mean, I've done this many times with fans. I've had a lot of tower fans. I mean, they don't last maybe a couple of seasons and you got to buy another one. But there's no screws. I said, uh-oh, how am I going to put this together? I don't have screws for this. Well, I noticed at the end they have a nut. So you don't need screws. Wonderful. You don't need screws. You don't need tools. Very good innovation using this nut instead. I like that. Pull this kind of fan with that new nut system. Take the nut off the end here. Put 1/2 on and make sure it fits tight. And then take the other piece and slip it over these here and press them down. Got it pressed down. And now just put the nut back over the end. Got the nut on tight. The only thing you want to make sure of is when you start that nut on that thread, that you're on the thread properly. Otherwise you're going to strip this plastic nut. So just gently start it, and then you can finish up with more force. And there it is. Quickly assembled tower fan with no screws. Paid $20 for this fan, 27 inches high. I like these tower fans better than the round floor fans. They seem to be quieter and last a little bit longer. Just plugged it in. It's running on low. How quiet is that? Perfect. It's what I want out of a fan. Just give me some breeze, but don't give me any noise. Bought 2 fans from Walmart, and this is why I buy from Walmart. My Walmart store is 5 minutes away. The second fan is too noisy. If I was going to keep this fan, it's just as noisy as the one I'm getting rid of. Taking this one back and get my refund. Maybe I'll try another one. I'll look in the store and see if they have one on the shelf.